Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today we finna talk about taking care of down today. I'm finna tell you some tips and tricks that may or may not help you. Also, disclaimer, this video ain't for just viewer discretion is advised. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so the way you're being okay, so tip number one, the soap that you use need to be non-scented. Now, I don't know if they done heard me in the back, but I'm gonna repeat myself, okay? The soap that you use down there need to be non-scented, period. You mess around and use some scented perfume, some kind of stuff that got fragrance and stuff in there, oh, it might, oh. Yeah, so I use Dove. I use unscented Dove because it smells good and it doesn't have any scent in it. You can get the other kind, but I use Dove. Now the number two, okay, or this is just like a helpful hint before we get into number two. So everybody used to always say when I was younger that it's a self-cleaning oven. Now, it took a while for me to understand what they meant. The inside is a self-cleaning oven, but on the outside, if you catch my drift, you need to clean that. So I just want to put that out there too. It's two different things. Maybe I might put a photo if I figure out how to insert a photo in here and I can point out certain little things. But yeah, it is a self-cleaning oven. Do not put things inside of there. Okay, so number two, or this just to add a little bit to number one. Okay, so if you do need like some extra cleansing down there, use Vagisil and only Vagisil, and make sure it's not the little summer blossom and all that kind of stuff. Make sure that it's just unscented and it's for pH balance down there too. Number two is it's about, let me see, you got about 2 weeks till Valentine's Day. So if this is geared towards that, listen up. Okay, so when you shave with razors, most people. However, I don't shave with razors because they leave bumps and you end up getting discoloration marks down there. You want to look kind of cute or, you know, aesthetic, whatever that is, down there. So what you do is well, you can get waxed or you can get hair removal products, Nair or Veet. Veet works. I don't use Nair, so, but yeah, that works, and it gets the hair from down there, as well as you don't have razor bumps and hair bumps and discolorations when you're trying to, you know, be like that. You ain't got no lumps and grooves and all that kind of stuff down there. What another thing I wanted to talk about is, okay, so you know how after you've washed and everything correctly, it might, okay, the skin down in that area is very sensitive. So I would suggest for dryness, you need to moisturize down there and chafing and all that kind of stuff with certain people. So I recommend coconut oil. You can get coconut oil. Well, let me show you the kind that I get. I use this for everything. Literally everything. I say everything, I mean everything. This works good, especially for dry skin. So that's a little tip. Lightly, everything you need to use is lightly. It should be organic. Things first, I just need everyone to know that everyone has a smell, okay? And by that, I'm gonna clarify, okay? Everyone has their own skin scent. Like if you take your clothes and just smell like a shirt that you wore yesterday. You're gonna have your natural body scent. Okay, so if you have any other scents, green discharge, fishy, foul smelling odors, please go to the doctor and get checked out, because this video is not a self-curing video. This is just tips and tricks on how to stay fresh, not smelling like a bouquet of roses, or smelling like watermelons, or all that type of stuff. Like, I don't know what people expect to smell like nowadays, but yeah, no, this is strictly like a self-care video. This isn't nothing like that. If you smell like strawberries and roses, I mean, hey, leave a comment below. And if you ain't broke out, if you ain't itching, burning, or anything like that, or no rashes, and you smell like strawberries and roses down there, please let us know. Okay, thank you, in the comment section below if that's you. Okay, so I don't know if I was on tip 3 or 4, but we're just gonna say 4. So another thing is, wear cotton underwear. It's breathable, preferably with no dyes in it. So like white cotton underwear. Stay away from a whole bunch of those fancy printed, colored all the time. Now, granted, you can wear, okay, your little fancy underwears or whatever, but not all the time. Okay, thongs, every outfit don't cause for thongs. And from what I found out, thongs move with you. So from the front to the back, from the rooter to the tutor, okay, that's moving back and forth, which can cause infections, irritation, all type of stuff. Just don't do it. If the outfit don't cause for it, which isn't every day, don't do it. Please don't do it. Number 5, you are what you eat. Literally. Well, yeah, that's what they say. Make sure that you are drinking plenty of water. Okay? This flushes everything out. You need to drink water all throughout the day, less sugary drinks, and eat a kind of healthy. I wouldn't say eat all the way healthy, everything has to be this way and all that type of stuff. No, because I don't do that. Everything is in moderation. If you're just eating a whole bunch of junk food, I mean, and you have an odor, you might want to not eat so bad, or just cut it in half. Drink more water, period, point blank. Fruits, vegetables, yes, that will help with odor, preventing odor. And if you already have a little odor going on, it'll kind of like help with all of that. Okay, so another little tip is multivitamins. They help, especially if you are on birth control. However, I am on birth control. I have an IUD, but it's the same thing. That's even more of a reason to keep down there together, because you will be prone to more infections if you have an IUD. Yeast infections, irritations, and all kind of stuff. So these tips that I use, or that I have mentioned, have helped me have a natural pH balance down there, as well as not have fishy or dark pee, or yeast infections, because yeast infections are the worst to ever have. And then 9 out of 10 times the medication that they give you, which is antibiotics, might make you have another infection or another reaction to it. It's not good. Drink water. Use Dove soap. Don't put nothing down there that's scented. No sprays, no pear blossom wipes and all that kind of stuff. No. And yeah, drink water. And don't wear tight clothes or dark clothing. Or if you go swimming, don't just have wet things or on you down there, because that is a breeding grounds for bacteria, infection, and smells that are foul odors that you do not need. I hope this video was informational. I know it's a very sensitive topic that everyone doesn't want to talk about, but talk about people on the low. This video is just for informational purpose only. This is tips that I have found from hearing from aunties and been put in use and everything else. This video is in no way, shape, or form a video. I'm not a health professional, okay? I'm not a physician, a nurse, none of that. These are just tips that I have used and have been proven effective. To each its own. It may not work. What may work for me may not work for nobody else, or it might work for a lot of people. So I don't know, but yeah, I hope this video was very informative. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe below. I don't know, right here. So also subscribe to my channel, show me some love, leave some comments below if it helps or if it gives you a different perspective on your vaginal health. These can be everyday tips that you can use in order to smell like yourself and feel great down there. Like, it's not gonna smell, everyone has their own smell, know that. So if you need to know your old body to know that you ain't smelling the freshest down there. But yep, till the next video, like, comment, and subscribe.
You done made it this far. You might as well go ahead, watch the next video, show your girl some love. Thank you. Till next time, stay blessed.